Hi friends, today in this video we are going to see that how to set up a cheap mini pond at your home just as like this at your home. So before we begin, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel to see more videos just as like this. First of all, you have to select a container. I am using a container made up of cement here. Don't worry, if you don't have any cemented container, you can use a decent sized plastic container as well. Okay, now let's see how to set the pond. First of all, you need some colored stones just as like this. You can buy this from aquarium shop. Okay, now I will place the stones all around the pond. Now what I am going to add is some plastic plants. You can also buy this from aquarium shops. Okay. After placing the plastic plants into the pond, the next thing required is some live plants. You can also buy these plants from your aquarium shops, or you can find it in some ponds or in rivers as well. You can use any live plants in the ponds or rivers. Okay. And next I am going to fill the pond with water. I am using rainwater here. I am not interested in using tap water because it may be harm your fish. So please try to use some pure water. You can take water from ponds or rivers as well. That will help your fish to stay healthy and free from any diseases. Okay, now our water is almost filled up, and next I am going to add some floating plants into the pond. You can find this also from the ponds as well. It will provide some bacteria to the fish to make them healthy. Okay, now let's set up our air filter into the pond. You can also buy this stuff from the aquarium shop along with the air filter. Okay, now everything is ready, and the next step is to add fish into the pond. I am going to add guppies into the pond. As you can see, there are so many beautiful guppies in this globe. Now I am going to add guppies into the pond. I prefer to grow some small sized fish in this type of tanks because they are easy to raise and they require minimum care. So you should select some fish like small fish like guppies in your pond placed at your garden. Okay, now I am going to place some plant for shade. So please remember to place your pond wherever you are getting sufficient amount of shade. You don't have to place it in direct sunlight. Okay, now we will look how our pond looks like. Okay, you can see this is very beautiful. This is how you can make a cheap pond at your backyard or at your garden. Please try this stuff at your home. Hope you like the video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos just as like this. Please let me know in our comment section. So have a wonderful day, guys.